Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and let me tell you something. I love a good bowl of ramen like the next person, but sometimes I just don't have time to get out for takeout, so I'm gonna show you how to make a hood version real quick. Hood means a quick version in the Instant Pot. It is going to be amazing. It is so easy to do, but it packs so much flavor. Let's get started on my version of ramen. So in my Instant Pot container, I have some water and I have 2 turkey wings that are in here, okay? Now this may not be 100% traditional, but it's 100% good, okay? Let's go. All right, so I have this red onion. I'm just gonna put the whole onion inside so it flavors. So be careful, because they do have the fresh turkey wing and they have the smoked turkey wing. The smoked turkey wing could work, might be a little salty, but I'm gonna use fresh for this particular reason, okay? And load this thing up with garlic. So I have peeled garlic that's already peeled, and then we need the ginger, okay? So this is the time for fresh ginger. You can peel it if you want to, but we're gonna end up straining this out anyway. So I just want the ginger flavor inside the broth. I'm gonna start by adding in some Chinese black vinegar. I know ramen is Japanese and Chinese black vinegar is Chinese, but it tastes good, so let's add it, okay? That's the beauty of these types of recipes, okay? Also, I have some soy sauce that I'm gonna put in as well, right? Lots of umami. All right, this is chili oil, just for a little bit of a kick, a little bit of a spice. A little bit of rice wine vinegar goes in as well. So I'm gonna do a little bit of liquid seasoning, enough so that you can taste it. Then I'm gonna add in some chicken bouillon, and then I'm gonna do a few dashes of sesame oil. So this is it, this is our broth for our ramen. And we're gonna put this in the Instant Pot and put this on for 40 minutes. And we're gonna have an amazing broth that's gonna be really, really good. All right, so we have our lovely smelling turkey wing ramen. I mean, this thing smells amazing. And if you look, you can see literally falling apart. So this is great. All right, so I'm gonna take, this is the vegetable packet that comes in the noodles. So I'm gonna add the vegetable packet right, because that extra flavor is gonna really help out. And then this is that hot and spicy seasoning pack. So this is just gonna add lovely dimension of flavor, especially to everything that we already put in here. I mean, I can smell it. Oh, I'm talking about, this thing smells amazing. All right, let's add in the ramen. And then while that is softening, I've just got a few sugar snap peas. I'm gonna put those in as well. Whew, this is hot, as you can see, smoking. But the tradition, even in Japan, is to slurp when you eat your ramen. That's a sign of respect. I know. I went to Tokyo. Konnichiwa. Let's see. Oh my God. Wait a minute. What? You mean to tell me I done made turkey wing ramen? This thing is amazing. When I tell you this thing is unctuous and flavorful. I can talk. Recipes like this will be on the website, DariusCooks.tv. There's 2 things I gotta tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. Bye, y'all.